Are you tired of staring at charts for hours waiting for the perfect entry on Deriv? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm showing you a game changer for your trading routine. We're looking at PivotCore.net, a powerful auto trading platform designed specifically for Deriv traders. If you've been looking for a way to automate your strategies and remove the emotional stress of manual trading, you need to see how this works. Let's dive into a live session. PivotCore isn't just another bot. It's a streamlined interface that connects directly to your Deriv account. It allows you to run sophisticated algorithms without needing to write a single line of code. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the goal here is efficiency. Today, I'm going to demonstrate one of the most consistent setups available on the platform to show you exactly how the automation handles market fluctuations. For this session, we're focusing on the digit 4 over and 5 under strategy. This is a mathematical approach to market digits that balances risk and reward beautifully. The beauty of using PivotCore for this is the precision. The system executes the trades at the exact millisecond the conditions are met, something that is nearly impossible to do manually. We aren't guessing here, we're following a systematic plan. My plan for this session is simple and disciplined. We're going to execute exactly 10 trades. My target is to secure 5 wins out of those 10. By setting a clear 50% win rate goal, we manage our expectations and our bankroll. This isn't about getting rich in 1 minute. It's about proving that a structured plan, powered by the right automation, can lead to steady results. As you watch the trades execute on the screen, notice how the platform handles the 4 over and 5 under logic. There's no hesitation. Many traders fail because they second-guess their strategy after a single loss. With PivotCore, the strategy stays in motion. If you're watching this and thinking about your own Deriv journey, imagine how much time you'd save if your digit strategies were running on autopilot like this. One of the best features of PivotCore is the transparency. You can see your progress in real time. Automation helps you stick to your take profit and stop loss levels without the temptation to overtrade. For those of you currently trading on Deriv, switching to an auto platform like this can be the difference between blowing an account and maintaining a professional trading journal. If you want to try this out for yourself, I highly recommend visiting PivotCore.net. It's built to make your trading life easier and more productive. The setup is quick, and the interface is incredibly user-friendly. You've seen the 10 trade plan in action today, and you've seen how the 4 over 5 under strategy performs when it's handled by a reliable bot. That wraps up our 10 trade session. We hit our goal, stayed disciplined, and let the technology do the heavy lifting. If you found this demonstration helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more automated trading insights. Head over to PivotCore.net today to start your own automated journey on Deriv. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.